and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a driving school enrollment chatbot on WhatsApp. For example, you are running any driving school and you got many enrollments requests from your students at once. Responding them and doing their enrollment process manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot. And that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of driving school. Here I am sending my first message as, "Hi, I want to join driving classes." As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that, "Hi there, welcome to Drive Master Academy. Your journey to becoming a confident driver starts here. Please choose an option to get started," while providing me two quick options, that is enroll now and learn more. Here I want to enroll. For that, I am clicking on this enroll now option. Then it will ask me to select the services in what I am interested in, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of services, that is beginner course, advanced training and the license assistant. Here I want to enroll for a beginner course, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to start my course, so I am sharing one date, that is 1/12/2025. After that, it will ask me for my full name that I am providing as test user. Next, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see I have received one confirmation message from my bot, which includes my name as a test user, contact number that I have shared, course type that I have selected from the list as beginner course, and the course start date. So if you also want to create this automated WhatsApp chatbot, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is right over here is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and get instant solution by our team members or the people who are facing similar problem just like you. If you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you will click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description below. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the right hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided that is Build a Driving School Enrollment Chatbot on WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so I am selecting this keyword/regex. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Now I am going to enter the regex in this enter regex box. Here I entered C. It is a type of regex. With the help of this regex, whenever your user will send any message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will be replied to them. You can also use this regex. Now I am going to add one welcome message for my user. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here and writing my message in this enter message box. That is, hi there, welcome to Drive Master Academy. Please choose an option to get started. So for answering this, I am adding two quick buttons for my user by clicking on this plus add buttons 2 times. Here I added that is enroll now and learn more. After that I am going to connect the starting point of my flow, that is this trigger, to this welcome message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected now. With the help of this regex, whenever my user will send any message to my WhatsApp business account, for example, hi, help, I want to join a driving class or anything, then automatically your bot gets triggered and reply to your user by sending them this message. Now let's assume my user wants to enroll. For that they will click on this enroll now button, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. You can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the body in this enter body box. That is awesome. Please select the service you are interested in. After that I want to add the list of service types. For that I am clicking on this add section button, where I am going to write the section title as services types. After that I want to add the list of services type. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of services, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added that is beginner course, advanced training and the license assistance. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of enroll now to this message. Here it is connected now. When my user will select the services type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that I am going to do the setup of one custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field, drag this box here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as service type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is beginner course. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. I write it this beginner course here because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this service type. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field not here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that you save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to go in the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of service type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not for this service type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field not for each of these services types. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field here, that is the service type, but I only change the value. value, because at the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now whenever my user will select the service type, then my bot will ask them to share the date that when they would like to start the course. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my question in this enter message box. That is great choice. Please share your preferred date for the course. For that I am going to select the contact custom field as start date. Then the format I select as date. Next the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you respond in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempts for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, then you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Now when my user will provide me the course start date, then my bot will ask them to share their full name and their contact number. For that I am going to do the same that I have done here. That means I am going to add 2 more questions here. Here I added where in this first question box I asked my user to share their full name. For that I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format I select as text. Then the number of attempt I'll give as 0. Lastly I asked my user to share their contact number. For that I have selected the contact custom field as contact number. After that the format I select as number. Then I provided the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes, that is 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. You can also use this default value for the number format. After that I am connecting all these questions to each other. Now when my user will provide me the course start date, their full name and their contact number, then at last my bot will provide them one customized message which includes their name, selected service type, contact number and the course start date. For that I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. Here I write that is your enrollment is confirmed. Here are your details, name with dollar symbol, full name, contact number, course type and the course start date. You can see I have used a dollar symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically, as whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will capture their response and mention their name in this place. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is the learn more button. If my users wants more details about my driving school, then they will click on this learn more button, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write some details about my driving schools. Here I entered. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate driving school enrollment. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot as a test example, but you can make changes in it and make your chatbot completely based on your requirements. If you face any difficulties in the creation of this flow or you have any questions, then you can feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Done the enrollment process into your driving school without you doing any manual efforts, and it is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.